Attention, attention. Now boarding all passengers for one-way trip to financial freedom. Don't miss the boat. Hello, and welcome to the LittleGuyNetwork.com. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you all about the fastest growing home-based business on the internet today. Have you been left behind by other home business programs simply because you don't have thousands of dollars to join them? Are you sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck while others are living a life of abundance? If you have answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place at the right time. The LittleGuyNetwork.com is changing lives every single day. Finally, a legitimate home-based business that doesn't cost thousands to join. The LittleGuyNetwork.com was created with the little guy in mind. That is why the cost to join LittleGuyNetwork.com is only $200. If you are looking for a place to help you to become financially free, then you have found it. The LittleGuyNetwork.com has a compensation plan that is second to none. After joining, you will receive a whopping $150 for each sale that you make except for the first one. Commissions will be paid directly to you. The first sale will be passed directly to your sponsor. With a program this affordable, just imagine how many new members you will be able to add to your team. But wait, there's more. LittleGuyNetwork.com has created a residual income feature that you won't be able to stop even if you try. Every time a member from your first level team adds a new member, you receive another $25 commission. Imagine for a second having a team of 100 members that just make one sale a month. Wow, that would be a $2,500 residual monthly income paid directly to you. In addition to the awesome compensation plan, there is also a marketing feature that is going to be working for you to help you build your personal team. Every member that joins LittleGuyNetwork.com will pay $25 of the $200 joining fee directly into a group ad co-op. How would you like to have professional marketers help you grow your business every day? The dynamic products at LittleGuyNetwork.com are fantastic. After joining, you will have access to over $50,000 worth of digital ebooks. This is an unbelievable value. If you are serious about taking your life back and are ready to stop making others rich, then stop wasting time and become a part of the fastest growing home-based business on the internet, LittleGuyNetwork.com.